Today, I'll show you how to change the background color in Canva. Start by clicking directly on the background of your design. This opens up the background menu at the top left of your screen, where you'll see the background color option. Here, you can pick from default colors or gradients. Want something unique? Add your own custom color and watch your design update instantly. Bright bold colors can grab attention, while soft pastels give a gentle professional touch. If you're enjoying this guide, hit the like button to see more Canva tutorials. For more dynamic designs, try gradients. Canva lets you choose linear or circular styles and even add multiple colors to create depth. Adjust the angle for linear gradients until it looks perfect. Once set, your chosen color or gradient can be reused across your project for consistency or to match your brand palette. And that's it! With just a few clicks, your Canva background can go from plain to personalized, giving your project a polished, professional finish. Happy designing!